Jama, 28, looked incredible as she arrived at the Love Island villa ahead of tonight's Season 10 debut. The ITV star went braless in a breathtaking white dress, which featured a daring sheer design to showcase her enviable figure. The model and presenter wowed in the stripy white ensemble, as she arrived on a luxury yacht. Maya was pictured gazing out to sea as she posed on the deck of the boat ahead of her hosting duties tonight. Her stunning white frock featured alternating white and transparent stripes and a curve-hugging design. She completed the look with a bold red lip, winged eyeliner and some gold hoop earrings. The star also opted for a relaxed hair look, wearing her dark dresses down in natural waves. Love Island fans have been excitedly anticipating what Maya will wear into the villa this year, following her bombshell entrance last series. Don't miss. Katie Price numb and shocked after sudden death of dog, inside Sarabini brand's own show nauseating after backlash. Update: Amanda Holden's skimpy BGT dress compared to lampshade. News: the fashionista is apparently set to enter the villa tonight in a show-stopping white cutout dress from Cult Gaia. The stunning crochet garment, which reportedly retails for £2,500, features a halter neck and backless design, with a bold cutout waist to show off Maya's impressive abs. The frock will also show off the star's toned legs and, according to the brand's online description, will provide just the right amount of openness and coverage. Cult Gaia said of the Acalia gown, "This ankle-length, artistic gown is made from hand-crocheted geometric and floral patterns. Signature Cult Gaia cutouts at the waist only enhanced the ultra-flattering effect of this dress and create an hourglass silhouette. The halter neckline ties behind the neck and is supported by two straps across the mid-back to hold you in." Love Island kicks off at 9 p.m. tonight on ITV2.
Now take